At hour 36 of your fast, your body isn't running out of fuel. You're sitting on roughly 100,000 calories of stored fat, enough energy to walk to another city. So why do you feel like a phone dying at 3%? Because you're not in an energy crisis. You're in an electrical crisis. And in the next 6 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it without breaking autophagy, without breaking your fast, and without the just push through it nonsense. Here's the part almost nobody tells you. When you fast, insulin drops. And insulin isn't just a blood sugar hormone, it's your kidney's instruction manual for holding on to sodium. Low insulin flips a switch called natriuresis. Your kidneys start dumping sodium like a sinking ship throwing cargo overboard. This isn't fringe science. It's been documented in fasting physiology research going back decades, including the classic starvation studies by George Cahill, published in the New England Journal of Medicine. And sodium doesn't leave alone. Water follows it. Then potassium and magnesium get dragged into the chaos. Your blood volume shrinks, your blood pressure dips, and your brain, which runs on electrical signals fired by these exact minerals, starts browning out like a city during a heat wave. That headache at hour 40, that dizziness when you stand up, that's not detox, that's not weakness, that's your power grid failing while the fuel tanks sit completely full. And here's the cruel timing. The leak peaks right as ketosis kicks in, hours 24 to 48. The exact window where the benefits begin is the exact window your grid fails. Most people quit the finish line. So what do most people do? They quit the fast, eat, feel better in 20 minutes, and conclude, my body needed food. Wrong diagnosis. The meal fixed you because food comes packaged with salt and minerals. You didn't need the calories, you needed the electrolytes. It's like calling a tow truck for a dead battery. Sure, it gets you home, but all you needed was a jump start. Worse, plain water deepens the crash. It dilutes what little sodium you have left. That's why just drink more water backfires. You're watering down a battery that's already running on fumes. Here's the protocol, and here's the beautiful part. None of this breaks autophagy, because autophagy is suppressed by nutrients in insulin, primarily through the mTOR and insulin signaling pathways. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium contain 0 calories, trigger 0 insulin, and activate 0 mTOR. Step 1. Sodium. During a 24 to 72-hour fast, most researchers and fasting-experienced clinicians suggest roughly 2 to 5 grams of sodium per day. That's about 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt dissolved in water spread across the day. Not a pinch, a dose. Your grandmother's fear of salt does not apply to a fasting kidney that's actively dumping it. Step 2. Potassium. Sodium and potassium are dance partners. They run the sodium-potassium pump, the tiny machine that consumes a huge share of your resting energy, just keeping your cells electrically charged. A small amount of potassium chloride, think light salt, added to your water keeps the pump running. Step 3. Magnesium. This is the slow leak. Magnesium is a cofactor in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including the ones that make ATP, your literal energy currency. Magnesium glycinate or citrate in the evening also happens to help with the infamous fasting insomnia. Now here's the counterintuitive kicker. Fixing your electrolytes may actually make your fast more effective, not less. When your body is under electrolyte stress, cortisol rises, and chronically elevated cortisol promotes muscle breakdown and works against the metabolic benefits you're fasting for in the first place. A calm, mineral-stable fast is a deeper fast. You're not cheating. You're maintaining the machine while the cleaning crew, autophagy, first characterized in depth by Yoshinori Ohsumi, who won the 2016 Nobel Prize for it, works through your cellular junk drawer. So the 48-hour crash isn't a wall, it's a warning light. Now you know what's low. Salt your water, mind your potassium, take your magnesium, and let the fast do what fasts do.